Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you the top tricks on this device. Alright, so let's begin. First, let's open up the Moto app, let's call it that way. And now let's drag it down and let's begin with the personalization of our device. In here, of course, we can change our wallpaper from our home screen, and for our lock screen, we can choose the dynamic photos. Also, we have the curated images, but we can also, of course, set the photo from our gallery. If you have one, you can always download some wallpapers from the internet, and in here you will be also able to change that wallpapers. Next to it we have the themes. In here we have the default one, but we also have the Moto, Seaway, Honey, Merlot, and that's all as I'm seeing. To change it, simply select the other one, just like that. I don't want to disable live lock screen. In here we have the plus icon, and here we can also create a new theme, as you can see. First we can change the wallpaper, so let's say I'll select that one. Then we can change the font, let's say I'll select that one. Then we can change the color, I'll select that one. We also can change the icon shape, as you can see. I'll select the square, then click on save. You can also name your theme, just like that. I don't want to disable live lock screen. And now our theme has been selected. In here again, we have the icon shape. I have shown you that. Below we can adjust our lock screen. We can change the clock faces, for example, and its look. So let's select that one, for example. We can change the notification style. It can be chip or the bubble. Next to it we have the shortcuts. For example, we can launch the flashlight in here, and next to it, for example, the camera, just like that. And now it has been successfully set. Okay, so I'll leave it to you to play with all of those personalization features. Below we can also change the layout and the dark mode, for example. Alright, so that when it comes to the personalization, also first we can open up the settings, and in here we can open up the display settings, and we can select the display refresh rate right in here. And for the best performance, I suggest you should use the Hyper Smooth. Now it will be 120 Hz all the time, because in Smart and Balanced it's changing automatically. But remember that for Hyper Smooth the battery consumption will be the highest, so remember about it. So if you want, you can change the for Hyper Smooth. Alright. Also, I'm wondering if there's something that I want to show you in the battery, but I think no. Alright. So let's get back into that Moto app. I have shown you the personalization. Now let's open up the gestures, and in here we have some cool shortcut gestures. So let's begin with the quick launch. So to use it, make sure it's enabled. And now we need to back tap at the top third of our back to launch custom actions. So let's click on try it out right in here. Let's tap. Okay, I'm tapping in that area. So we need to tap with 3 different strengths. So that's the gentle, as you can see. Now I'll try to get the moderate one. Okay, now I have it. And now let's try with the hard tap. Okay, so that's how it works. Click on done, and if you click on the settings button, in here we can change what will launch in each tap strength. So now we have the gentle tap, And now let's choose what to launch. So let's say it will launch the recorder. So I'll try to gently double tap now. And now, as you can see, the recorder app has been successfully launched. So we have our gentle tap. Now let's click on moderate tap and let's choose action for it. So for example, let's select it to take a screenshot. Okay, you can see that a screenshot has been successfully taken. And now let's get back. Now the hard tap. Let's click on try it out. Sorry, not try it out, but let's select the action for it. So let's, for example, let's select open app, and it should open up the Chrome. So now I'll hard tap. And the Chrome has been successfully launched, but let's wait because we only have white screen right now. But I think that's the Chrome. Yeah. So, as you can see, everything works just fine. Let's get back now from this quick launch. And from here, let's open up the sidebar, for example. Let's click on use it. And now we need to swipe by performing that move to open up the sidebar. And now in here we have a list of apps, and thanks to the sidebar we have quick access to them. So for example, when I'm in the Chrome and I'm doing my stuff, I can quickly open up the smart sidebar, and for example, now it will launch the messages really quick. And that apps will be opened in the floating window, as you take a look. So for example, now I'll open up the YouTube, and now it has been opened in the floating window. To adjust the position on the screen, grab right in here on that small thin bar, and now we can change the position on the screen. If you want to adjust the size of the window, grab on the edge of the floating window, and then you can simply change the size of it. You can also minimize it by clicking on that icon right in here, and if you want to open it up in the full screen, click right in here, and now our YouTube has been full screened. So that's how the sidebar works. And in here I should open up the settings. You can add more apps if you want from this list, and you can also delete the apps from the sidebar. So you can adjust which apps and tools you want in the sidebar or don't want to. Then we have the quick capture. So when we will twist our device, it should launch the camera. So let's try it out. And as you can see, the camera has been successfully launched, and we are ready to take some photos. So it's also pretty cool, a quick gesture. So let's do it once more. Boom, the phone app, the camera app has been launched. Okay. We can also, if you open up the settings, you can change which mode will launch. So it will be rear camera or front camera. You can select which one you want to open. Next, we have the fast flashlight. We need to, perform the chopping move to launch our flashlight. Okay, so let's do it. Boom. As you can see, the flashlight has been launched, and if we will do that once more, now it's turned off. Okay, so it works pretty nice also, and it's a pretty convenient shortcut, I would say. Alright, I can close that. Back to the gestures. Now the 3-finger screenshot. So now we need to touch and place our 3 fingers on our screen to take a screenshot. If you open up the settings next to it, we can select and create an exception for the apps in which that shortcut won't work. To do it, click right in here, and in here you can select the apps in which this that 3 finger screenshot won't work. So now let's try to place 3 fingers to take a screenshot on our home screen. Boom. You can see that screenshot has been successfully taken and saved, and we can also edit it right in here. Let's try again. Boom. You can see that it works. I closed the gestures by a misclick, so let's get back to it. The gestures. Alright, now we have the lift to unlock. We can enable it. So now but first the face. I need to add my my face to do it, so I'm also going to I will do that later, but you can see that it will unlock our device by picking up and looking at the screen. Then we have the flip for DND. DND stands for do not disturb, as you can see, so we can enable it. So if there will be an incoming message or the phone call, all you need to do is to place your phone just like that, and now the do not disturb mode will be launched. Next thing is the pickup to silence. We can enable it right now. So now let's click on try it out. And as you can see, I have lifted my phone to mute the call that has been calling to me and ringing. Click on done, and now you know how to use that. And the last thing is the swipe to split. It is also pretty cool feature, I would say, because it's not the most common way to open up the split screen, but it looks pretty nice, and it's also pretty convenient. So we need to perform that move. We need to slide from the left to the right and then back again, just like that. Sometimes it might not work at the first time, so you just need to, you know, give it a few tries, but maybe it won't work because I'm in the gestures app. Let's try it right in here. I'll open one of the apps, for example the I don't know, I'll launch the calculator. Now I will perform that move. And in some way it doesn't want to work. Maybe I'm doing it too fast, so I'll open up the calculator once more. Did I launch it? Oh, it's not working because I didn't enable it. So now I'll open up the calculator. Or actually the recorder is also pretty okay. Okay, and now we have the list from the recent apps. That's our recent apps that we have opened previously. And so now, for example, I'll open up the gestures, and now as you can see, the screen has been successfully split in half. Alright, now we can go back from that, and that's all when it comes to the gestures. And now let me show you the last cool feature, which is in the Moto folder, and it's Smart Connect. But first we need to open up also the PC or laptop that you're using, and we need to download the app on our PC first. So I'll see you on the PC. Okay, so now we are on my PC, and now first we need to actually download the Smart Connect app for our PC. To open up the Microsoft Store, because from here we will download it, we need to open up the search bar, then type Microsoft Store. In here type Smart Connect, just like that. Okay, now let's wait. It's that icon, that app, and now simply install it. And now let me launch it. And now you can see that in our app we have this QR code, and we need to scan this using our Motorola. So let's open up the Smart Connect in our Motorola. Let's click on that plus icon in the top right corner. Now select the PC, click on continue pairing, and now we need to scan this QR code using our Motorola. Okay, and as you can see, our devices has been paired, but first I need to connect them. Okay, actually they are online already. And in here we have a few things and a few features that we can use. For example, we have the app streaming, mobile desktop, phone on PC, webcam, files, hotspot, smart clipboard, cross control, and the share hub. So for example, when it comes to the app streaming, we can click it right in here on our PC, and let's say I'll open up the Chrome, for example, and now the Chrome app has been successfully launched on our PC, and that's the Chrome that we are using on our Motorola. You can see right in here that I have my Google account on which I am logged in on my Motorola. Just to show you, when I will open up the Chrome, actually when I'm opening up the Chrome at the same time on my Motorola, it disappears from the PC. But as you can see, it's the same Google and the same Google account, so it's actually streaming the app from the phone. So I'll open up the Chrome once more just to show you. Okay, now let's wait a little bit. And here we can also rotate the screen, take the screenshot, lock the screen, we can change the volume, and same thing with the media output. So now the voice and the voice will come from the Motorola, but we can also change it into our computer, and now you hear the things on our PC. And in here we can use our Chrome. We can also normally scroll, and if you want to type something, you can see that the keyboard doesn't work, but you just need to use your own keyboard of your PC. Now I'm typing using the keyboard PC, and it all works in a fine way. Now I'm scrolling using the mouse scroll. Okay, so that when it comes to the app streaming, we also have the mobile desktop, for example, or the phone on PC. Let me show you that one. Let's click on the virtual phone. In here we have two options. We also have the mirror phone, but I'll open up the virtual one. Click on Start Phone on PC. And now you can see that I'm basically using my phone on my PC right now. I can normally scroll using the mouse, and I can do all stuff that I want. I can open up the settings, I can even take a photo. So I'll open up the camera app, I will rotate the camera, I can take a selfie, just like that, and it has been successfully taken, as you take a look. So it's really cool. In my opinion, the Smart Connect app is the best thing that this phone has to offer. Let me also start the virtual phone once more. I have also downloaded the Subway Surfers, a game, just to show you that we can even play games. Maybe not all of them, but Subway Surfer is a so easy game and not complicated, that all you need to do is to you know, move left, right, or jump and crouch, so we can tap to play. And now you can see that I'm using my mouse to move left or right. And I need to do this with the click. So I need to click on the screen and then slide. So we can even play games using that mode. Okay. And in here, of course, we have other list of the features. For example, let me show you as the last thing the cross control. And if you want to know more about those features in the Smart Connect, on our main channel, Hard Reset Info, there is a list of videos where I'm showing you all possible options and all of that features that we have. Yeah, I'm showing all of them. So if you want, you can look for it on the Hard Reset Info channel. Now let me show the cross control as the last thing. So now we have those two screens, let's say it in that way. That small one on the right side is our phone, and this big one is our PC screen. Now let's place our Motorola on the right side, on the down side, or on the left side. It's up to you. So let's say I'll place it on the left side. And now select the display option. Choose a link, a keyboard and mouse. You can also enable to show a position bar. Now it's on the left side on the screen. And now take a look. I have my mouse on the screen of the monitor. Now I'll go to the left side. You can see that it disappeared from the screen, but as you take a look, this small mouse appeared now on the screen of my Motorola. And now that's the fun thing. I'll hold the left mouse button, and now I am using, and I'm controlling the phone using the PC mouse. Now I am using the scroll to move left or right. Let me open up the settings using my mouse. In here I can also scroll, as you take a look, and I can do basically anything using my mouse. If I want to search something, again, I don't have the keyboard on my Motorola. I need to use the keyboard from my PC to type anything. So it's really, really fun to use that option and to get to know it for yourself. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.